Hi guys, welcome to TechTube. Here I'm gonna show the noise AirPod review. This is a port, a Bluetooth or you may say a wireless port. An individual left for and right. Using this pin you can charge your port individually. A charge has been made for both left and right simultaneously using the box, AirPod box. The box has a charging facility. You can see a charging pin on the back of the box. This is the main charger. This port acts as a power bank also. You can use it for a power bank facility also. You can be added in the future. Just see how to connect with Bluetooth. You want to turn on the Bluetooth and you may see your port name. You need to punch in. It also shows the charging level also. You had been see the charging level in the Bluetooth while connecting. Just connect and hear your voice. Thank you for watching.